Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix the MacBook camera not working issue. If your camera is showing a black screen or not opening in apps like FaceTime, Zoom, or Photo Booth, follow these simple steps to get it working again. First, start with a quick system check. Make sure nothing is blocking your MacBook camera, like a case, sticker, or dirt on the camera area. If needed, gently clean it, and then test your camera again in any app. Next, the fastest software fix is to close and restart the apps using the camera. Sometimes the camera gets stuck in another application. To fix this, press Command plus Option plus Escape to open Force Quit. Select apps like FaceTime, Zoom, or any app using the camera, then click Force Quit. After that, reopen the app and check if the camera is working. If the issue continues, check Camera Permissions. Go to the Apple menu and open System Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security and scroll to Camera. Make sure the apps you are using are allowed to access the camera. If an app is turned off, enable it, then reopen the app and test again. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Another useful fix is restarting your Mac. A simple restart clears temporary system glitches that can block camera access, especially if multiple apps were using it at the same time. If it still does not work, check for macOS updates. Go to System Settings, then General, and select Software Update. Installing the latest update can fix known camera bugs and compatibility issues with apps. And finally, if your camera is still not working after all these steps, try testing it in a different app to confirm if it is a software issue or a hardware problem. If it does not work anywhere, it may need service support. And that's it. Your MacBook camera should now be working again normally.